Secret-Travel.Guide, and today we're in Hollywood and Universal Studios and want to check out the VIP experience.
The VIP experience is the most exclusive way to go behind the scenes at the world's largest movie studio and theme park. It's the ultimate way to visit Universal Studios Hollywood. The VIP experience starts already when parking. You have free parking in the Frankenstein Parking Garage, which is just steps away from the studio's front entrance. You check in, get your VIP badge, and will then meet your own expert VIP guide, which will immerse you in the past, present and future of Universal's backlot for the next 6 hours. When going on the famous Universal Studio Tour, instead of having to sit in one of those 4-car trams, you get to cruise around in a special open-air trolley with refreshments on board. On the studio tour, you will see behind-the-scenes look at movie-making secrets. Experience the largest movie set street expansion in Hollywood history, built with creative consultation from Steven Spielberg himself. See the set from ABC's hit series Desperate Housewives and witness special effects used in blockbusters like The War of the Worlds and Universal Pictures' King Kong. Additionally, you will have exclusive backlot access and can explore areas not open to the general public. You will also visit actual sound stages where blockbuster movies and TV shows are filmed. Unlike the general studio tour, you get off the vehicle and walk around the lot and inside one of the studios. Even coming face to face with Norman Bates at the legendary Bates Motel from Psycho. Moreover, you visit the world-famous property department, home of thousands of set pieces and decorative items used for film and television production. The VIP guide will escort you through the express lines at rides and attractions such as Harry Potter. They also find you the best seats at seated shows. At the end of the 6-hour tour, you are allowed to stick around the park and use your front-of-the-line access.
Okay guys, a long day at Universal Studios is finally over, and the question is, was it worth to buy the VIP pass for the VIP experience? Definitely. You could skip so many lines, save time, got a lot more of information, was much more comfortable, and I would do it the same way again.
Guys, I hope you liked this video. If so, I would really appreciate if you like it, watch our next videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you!